Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway in Jamaica. Now this highway is going to run from Kingston to Portland, or more specific from Harborview in St Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. So this is the construction of the highway. This is a section between Kingston and Yalos Bridge, and the highway is being built in phases. It's a very large project. The highway is going to be 110 kilometers long. So this section that we're driving on now, the highway is going to replace this existing road. So this road is 2 lanes. But this road is going to be turned into 4 lanes. So you can see the bridge being built on the right, because 2 additional lanes will be built on this road to make it 4 lanes, and this will be the Southern Coastal Highway for this section of the highway. Now, the alignment of the road begins at the eastern end of the Harborview Bridge, and it continues eastward adjacent to the main road leading to 11 Miles Bull Bay. The road will then divert south at 11 miles towards the Sun Coast Adventure Park. So between Harborview and 11 miles in Bull Bay, that's the section that we are on now, it's going to be 4 lanes, and it's going to replace the existing road, or the road is going to run along the existing road. Now straight ahead is 11 miles. This is 11 miles in Bull Bay. The road is going to divert. The highway, is going to take a new path. So it's no longer, up to this point, it's going to run, the 4 lanes will run on this road. But you can see that bridge over there on the right. That's going to be the highway, but it's a new road that was built from scratch. And the highway will then use that road. This road will still be here, but it will be 2 lanes, as you can see, going forward. The 4 lanes end here, and then the highway goes over there on the right and continues all the way to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, where it rejoins the existing road. So let's see if we can go over here and take a look at what's going on. Okay, nobody's stopping to give us way, so we just have to wait. So ironic, it was the last car that stopped. Okay, the road is still under construction, so we have to be careful when we're driving. Alright, so this is 11 miles in Bull Bay, and this is where the new road has been built, and it goes all the way back to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, where it then continues. It will rejoin the existing road at the Grants-Pen area, and then it continues from Grants-Pen to Albion in St Thomas. This section of the road will then end at the western end of the Yalos Bridge. So this section will run from the eastern end of the Harborview Bridge all the way to the western end of the Yalos Bridge. Okay, it looks like we can drive on the road because those cars have gone all the way up there. So we're going to go up there. Okay, so as we said, the road is being built in phases. Phase 1A is Kingston to Yalos, which is the road we're driving on now. And then 1B will be from Yalos to Morant Bay. And then 1C will be from Morant Bay to Manchinal. And then 1D would be from Manchinal to Boston. And then E would be from Boston to Ferry Hill. and then F will be from Ferry Hill to Williams Field, and then G will be from Williams Field to Port Antonio. Alright, so let's take our time and drive on this road. So this project began in 2017 and it's scheduled to end, the entire road is scheduled to end in March 2025. And this road work project is being done by the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. And the main goal of the project is to improve the alignment of the existing roads on the south coast. But basically, the government or governments have a plan to connect the entire island of Jamaica via highways. You have this road, which is going to run from basically the city of Kingston to Port Antonio. That's the Southern Coastal Highway. And then you're going to have from Port Antonio to Negril, the Northern Coastal Highway. That road is built already. And then you're going to have from Negril to Mandeville another highway, which will be a part of the Southern Coastal Highway project. But that nothing has started with that road, but it's in the works. It's going to be done one day. And then from Mandeville back to Kingston, you have Highway 2000, which is already built. We're not going to go any further because, as you can see, construction is going on and we don't want to interfere with, well, I don't think we could pass anyway because they're working on the road. But as we said, this is the road that will take you, this section of the road takes you from 11 miles in Bull Bay all the way to Grand Spen in St. Thomas. And the road was built through the hills, and it's a 4-lane dual carriageway, and it looks very nice. This is a similar formula or similar type of road that was used for Highway 2000. A dual carriageway running from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And as you can see, the highway, this section is coming along nicely. There are some sections that you can actually drive on, and we have videos up of those sections, so you can search the channel. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.